Hello, Junkaholics. Welcome to the 2023 Coaldale Show and Shine. A lot of nice stuff. As you see, my truck was there, hell bent. Falkenstein, the 32 Deuce, and this Camaro. There was a lot of stuff. Look at that. Even some old school stuff. Love it. 56 Chevy. It looks like a 66 Cadillac right beside it. There's another Cadillac coming up here. Cool old Lincoln. People were having a really good time. Mustang 2. Here's an extended cab 40 Ford, which was never ever made, but this guy did. I'm a very big fan of the 66 Parisiennes. Favorite year. Here's an old Fargo sweep line or swept line. Nice rat rod. Oh boy, I love this old Mercury pickup. Excellent, excellent. Barracuda, Ford Courier. '58 Impala. Some sweet Trino. '69 Firebird. Monte Carlo SS. Nice old Chevelle. Now this is a '72 Blazer and came factory as a 2-wheel drive. Very nice. Who doesn't like 56 Nomad? Now this Barracuda has an old school metal flake paint job. It was actually done in the 70s, and I don't know if you can tell how deep that flake is, but it's pretty extreme. Really like this Chevelle as well. There's just nothing like a small town car show to really get you going. I don't know what it is. the ambiance, the quaint stores. I just really love small town car shows. I believe that's an old Studebaker. 64 old Cutlass. Look at the old Eagle. That's kind of cool. Now I had quite the chuckle out of these micro cars. I don't know much about them. I don't know what they were, but they're kind of cool. There's a Stinger, old Capri, Corvette. Now that's a really chopped pickup truck. There's an old Fury. New school Camaro. Nice Challenger with a Barracuda right beside it. That's pretty iconic. Really hope you enjoyed this episode, Nice Junk. If you did, make sure to like, share, and if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. See you next time.